Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 48 of the 100 days challenge of building yourself as a brand, and also it is the last day of this month. So first I'm gonna say what I did throughout the day, and then I'm gonna review this month. So first I woke up at 4 o'clock, then I did my stretching, made my bed, drank 2 glasses of hot water, then I prayed, changed into my workout clothes, did the workout, did eye exercises, and also I did my balsam. Then went and did my meditation for 15 minutes. After that I journaled and read a book for 10 minutes, then watered plants. Then my brother was going to visit doctor. That's why I went and made a breakfast for him and gave it to him. After that I came and took a bath, did my prayer. Like my mom was not there, so I had to do all the puja and thing. After that my brother went, I did him bye, and then I came and set for doing the uploading and posting work. Then I set for doing beading, that is a kind of jewelry making out of beads. I did that, and then did my editing and scheduling. After that I was on a call with my friend, and then I took my bath and did the skincare. Then I read book and went to sleep. So that is how my day went. I did not do any video shooting and all, just did the editing works, uploading, scheduling, and all those things. And reviewing about the May, except the kind of like 1.5 week, I think remaining days were quite productive and quite inspiring as well. Not as much as I expected, of course. I wish like my everyday goes very productive, but that doesn't happen. I have become like a slave to my mood. But I think compared to what I was before starting the challenge, this is way much better. So I'm proud of that. And yes, we're gonna keep on continuing with it. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.